Hey guys, this is May-Trickz and I'm back with a whole nother unboxing video. As you see, it's here. I finally got it, the iPhone XR. As you see, it's the iPhone. It's the XR. It's looking nice, man. It's shit looking nice. Just like how this looks. It's crazy, I haven't even opened it yet. But yeah, it's iPhone XR. And yeah. So I know the video. Yeah, I've been waiting for a video like this. I haven't done a phone unboxing in a while. And as you see, I took the wrapping off. Now take this out, and here we go. Look at this, the iPhone XR, and this is my first time having one, so I'm glad I got this. So look at this bad boy right here. Look at this. Definitely getting the case for this. Put that to the side. As you see, it comes with a charging wire, lightning cable as they call it. And it comes with the legendary, oh, I'm surprised it doesn't come with headphones. Wow, that's surprising. So yeah, it doesn't come with no headphones, guys. How surprising, even though it's not a big deal to me. But yeah, guys, that's about it. That was the unboxing of the iPhone 7. Excuse me, the iPhone XR. Even though I have an iPhone, yes, and I just said it, the iPhone 7. This is the iPhone I have gotten before the XR. As you see, yeah, see that. Yeah, this is my 7, but my mistake, my XR right here. So I'm gonna enjoy this thing, and yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your boy JMT. I'll catch up with more videos on the way. Like I was saying, like, comment, and subscribe. Catch up with more content. And this has been JMT unboxing of the iPhone XR. Once again, the iPhone XR. Hope you enjoyed unboxing. Much love, peace, respect, and I'll catch up with more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.